So effect of inert gas addition on equilibrium. Inert gas means not only argon, helium, neon. You can take any gas which is not reacting with your reactants and products. Okay, you can add any gas here, any gas that may be argon or N2, anything. But condition is those should not react with your reactants and products. So
Okay,
after
sir.
addition of inert gas to our equilibrium, number of moles increases. Yes or no? By adding more number of gas
Yes,
outside, then maybe pressure of the
sir.
system can change or not.
Yes, sir.
It may be changed. Then pressure change means automatically you can expect equilibrium can change any one direction. That depends upon equilibrium.
Okay, sir. So by adding inert gas, number of moles increases, which leads to change in pressure, sir.
Yes, that's the only thing. But
Okay, sir.
here two cases we have that one. Case one at constant volume. Addition of inert gas at constant volume. Addition of inert gas at constant volume. At constant volume, no effect. It is not going to be change anything, even concentration, pressure, anything. How that is not changing, we are going to discuss here. Okay, you can write
Okay.
uh,
Okay,
at
sir.
constant volume, which is we are adding, no effect on equilibrium, no effect.
Okay, sir.
How this?
No effect.
Yeah, simply no effect. How this we can prove that one? I think so. PV equal to nRT. You can write it.
Yes,
At
yes, sir.
constant volume
Volume.
means I am taking here P by N equal to RT by V.
Yes, sir.
So here R and T also constant and V also constant, nothing but constant everything here.
Okay, sir.
So R value constant, T constant, V constant. So P by N equal to constant. So by
Yes, sir.
adding any inert gas, number of moles increases means N total going to be increases.
Yes, sir.
Then P total also increases pressure because P directly proportional to N only, na?
Yes, sir.
So N increases, P increases. Net may can be cancel each other, net value.
Okay, sir.
That's why no effect.
Okay, sir.
Next, we are taking second case, addition of inert gas at constant pressure.
Okay, sir. Sir, if there's no change, then why are we considering this, sir?
We are discussing all the cases now one by one. Suppose they are giving
Okay.
same thing in
Okay,
examination, what you can do?
okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, maybe they can give question now. What is the effect of inert gas?
Okay, just a theory type question, sir.
Yes, theory type questions.
Okay, sir.
But I hope you know that we are studying with respect to industrial applications. If you know all these
Yes.
factors affecting effect or not our equilibrium state, then we won't do that one. I can't do that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If no effect of volume means okay, this is no use that one. We don't want to go do this one.
Okay, sir.
Next, addition of inert gas at constant pressure. Yes, we can see now here. Same thing I am taking here. Here actually some cases is possible. We are going to discuss one by one. Suppose delta Ng, first case, delta Ng equal to 0. Then I am taking very classical example, which is H2 plus I2 gives rise to HI. Then you can write here gas state, gas. Then write delta Ng equal to product minus reactant only. Na? Here 2 moles of product plus minus reactant is 1 plus 1. So net equal to 0. If you write
Yes.
Kp expression, you can take we are writing mostly factors changing nothing but Qp, not Kp. Okay, because that is reaction
Yes.
quotient. Na? Kp is fixed at particular temperature. So Qp equal
Yes.
to you can write Hi means in terms of number of moles. Hi square by You can write NHI square by
H
NH2 NI2. So there is no P total by suppose N total we are writing anything power 0 this is. So there is no pressure term in this case. So that's why no pressure effect.
Yes, sir.
So you can write directly. So this is become 1. So this completely become 1. So I can remove this one. So finally though no pressure term here, then automatically no effect. And second case you can write delta Ng positive. So I can take here PCl5 gives rise PCl3 plus Cl2. Now we can see here delta Ng equal to this is products is 1 plus 1 total number of moles here 1 and 1 minus reactant is 1 mole. How much will you get? 2 minus 1 0. Sorry minus plus 1 no? Plus 1.
One.
So delta Ng positive. Now we can write expression QP expression. QP equal to in terms of number of moles N PCl3 into NCl2 by N PCl5 into P total by N total whole power 1. So now we can see by increasing at constant pressure term. I think she got it. At constant pressure means PT should be constant or not.
Yes, sir.
So now QP inversely proportional to N total.
Yes, sir.
By increasing N total, QP increases or decreases.
Decreases, sir.
Then QP decreases means that become less than KP.
Yes, sir.
So then KP greater than QP means forward direction or backward direction.
Backwards.
No,
Uh,
forward, no?
Once again, sir. Forward, forward.
Forward. If KP greater than QP means forward direction.
Yes, sir. Forward, sir.
Yes, very good. So you can write this term. Clear? Next case also you can explain. So delta Ng equal to negative. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to NH3. You can make mute 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
So here delta Ng equal to negative. How to calculate delta Ng? This is 2 and this is 4 total. 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. I can write QP equal to N NH3 square by N N2 N H2 cube into P total by N total whole power delta Ng. Delta Ng I got here minus 2. Then ultimately QP, this NT become up because inverse, become N total square. So ultimately by increasing N total, QP value also increases. So when QP increases means that become automatically QP greater than KP, then
Backward direction, sir.
backward reaction is favorable. Favorable. So what we done total here? So addition of inert gas. So at constant volume, no effect. At constant pressure, we have 3 cases, delta Ng 0, then no effect here. You can write this is no effect. Then at delta Ng positive, if delta Ng positive means by increasing number of moles, QP value decreases, then that become less than Kp, then forward reaction is favorable. And the case of here, delta Ng negative, by increasing total number of moles, QP value automatically increases. That become more than KP, therefore backward reaction is favorable.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Good.